Yo, what's up? It's me and Yo, the young god.
Swagasaurus Rex. Beat my Twitter. Anyway, this is gonna be a Zelda Ditto.
I'm very happy about this. I wish we had more low-tier representation in Temple Melee, but everyone gets really salty when I beat them with Mario and DK, so...
you can't play them all, Penny. You can't play them all.
Alright, so we're starting on FD. Man stage, you know, just straight up punish game. We're gonna see 0 to deaths from both Zeldas for sure.
Yo, do you see these back airs? I feel like Dan's Puff experience is really gonna translate into Zelda play.
Yeah, his Zelda actually kind of like leveled up.
Leveled up, dude.
Yeah, he does like optimal Zelda stuff.
That's optimal.
He's definitely taking friendlies off my Falcon.
Oh, okay, forward tilt. Oh, another back air.
Oh,
was that optimal?
Din's Fire is not that good. It's like a terrible hitbox. I would never use it, except Dan's almost a god.
Dude, he shut you up though. Here we go. All right, can he get the back air? I feel like one back air. Adam's port 2, right?
Yeah, it's pretty much whoever shields the first forward air gets a free forward air or back air out of shield. And yeah.
Drop your Zelda knowledge down here.
Yeah, so Dan's up a stock right now, and you know, Dan's kind of playing he's doing the zoning game, you know, retreating fairs and bears. You can't really approach because otherwise you're gonna get fair or bared out of shield. Oh, nice up smash.
You can't even like try to cap him out because he's obviously superior to Din's Fire.
Right.
Already hit 2. Adam is at a straight egg, straight 0.
Adam is this is looking questionable.
Yeah, I feel like Adam just needs to get the strong hit at the back air.
Right. Which is surprisingly hard to space. Oh, but he shuts me up. And
praise for him.
88% is not a lead.
88%.
4 stocks is not a lead.
Yeah. 8 stocks is not a lead.
Yeah, true.
In a crew battle.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Or in teams.
Or in teams. True. I've shown that when I edge guarded you that one time. Show you how bad Falcon is. Zoning. Okay. Din's Fire.
Questionable Din's Fire. My Zelda wouldn't have done it, but my Zelda is also amazing. So.
Your Zelda knows that guy.
Yeah, for sure.
Double taunt by Dan. Forward smash, wall, reads at him. Adam's trying to crouch cancel.
So, we're currently playing version 1.2 of Melee, where hits under 1% are smash the eyeball. In 1.0, that does not exist, but it significantly makes Zelda way worse, because you can just smash the eye out of a forward smash, and,
Dude! Stuck on the Din's Fire.
Oh, the kicks.
I feel like Adam will be able to take advantage of the smash the eye thing, though.
Adam is looking fraudulent right now.
Adam is like, if you put this on his tax form, he'd be contacted by the IRS, honestly, for fraud, for embezzlement. He's racketeering right now. He's racketeering.
Beautiful sweet spot.
Almost as gorgeous as Zelda.
Yeah, for sure.
Din's Fire? Oh, forces the jump out with the Din's Fire. Clears him up with the back air.
The bait. Is this about to be a clean 3 stock? My
clean,
god.
Dude. Call that man Oxy, because that was clean.
My god.
Is that Billy Mays? Is that Billy Mays?
Is that Slapchop guy?
What?
Is that Slapchop guy?
No, that was that's the OxyClean guy. Gets the tough stains out.
Yeah, I know who Billy Mays is.
Wait, who'd you say? Wait, what are you talking about? I'm so confused right now.
I hate you. Looking for a new doubles partner as of next week, so
But I got out-memed by Penny. Never would I thought I'd see today. Where's Paul? He probably knows that meme.
Dan with the spacing. Oh, but Adam with the spacing. Oh, Adam with the spacing again.
Wow. I feel like we got Louis Armstrong and Lance Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. Last Armstrong. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin with all this spacing right now. I feel like that would have been funnier if I actually knew the names of the astronauts. Moving on.
So, Zelda's forward air and back air comes out surprisingly quick. Like, it's a really good out of shield option, and sometimes you feel like she like just did a fair, and you're like, oh, I can hit her now, and then she does another fair, and you die, and
shows you what's what.
Hit some cheats for sure.
Actually, Tom, who does that with Zelda, told me that Zelda's double jump actually looks exactly like her air dodge. So what he does, what he likes to do, is double jump back air because he thinks that he likes to mind game people and think that it's air dodge. But he didn't air dodge, Penny. Just back air, now this matchup though.
Tie game. Adam Zelda looking kind of crisp right now.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's just Dreamland. It's a mental game right now.
Yeah, you know, Adam's just winning the war of attrition. Oh, but went for the greedy back air and almost died.
If you weren't Zelda, he would have definitely died. Nice back airs. Crouch cancel.
I'm waiting to see who turns into Sheik first to grind out the game.
Is Sheik even good against that? That's a real question. Oh yeah, she can chain grab her to like 1,000,000%.
Well, not chain grab, but like, well, actually, I don't know. But like, Sheik messes up all the low tiers.
And coincidentally, Mark doesn't.
Except for my Mario, Broad Sheik, see my Mario in a $50 money match. Shit's free. Anyways.
The plumber. Calling him out.
Anyways, this is not the plumber. This is, my Zelda doesn't have a name.
Doesn't have a name?
No.
Well, I mean, Smokey's pizza's called Bitch Pudding. I feel like that's pretty on point. Maybe like, I don't know. I want to say something, but probably shouldn't say it.
I want to make it like an AIM screen name.
What?
Where it's like Curly Princess.
Curly Princess?
1, 2, 3, XXOXOXOX.
What about just straight up Gertrude? Powerful name, Gertrude.
Bertha. Gertrude's my Peach and Bertha's my Zelda.
But they're old ladies, they got some experience.
Yeah, for sure.
That air dodge, trying to zone out. Back air
to forward air.
Can't bear to watch it anymore. Come on. Oh, space. Back air. Dash attack. Not fair. Those moves are super smart based, I can't tell them apart that easily.
Oh, see, he has to get out of the forward smash.
They didn't mean to do it. That's a real question. Probably.
Notice how they're wearing almost the exact same outfit and they're playing almost the exact same character.
Are you talking about like them?
Yeah, IRL. Like they got blue jeans and like a dark shirt on with long sleeves that are rolled up to their
They're really taking the ditto to the next level.
Yeah. But it's looking like Dan Zelda's up right now.
Dan Zelda is very high right now. On the PR as well.
Oh, is he gonna get fared for his troubles? No. Oh, dash attack up air.
Oh,
wow.
Is that LeVar Burton over there?
It's not over though. Oh, but it's over.
Now it is.
A clean 2-0 for 3Spoon.
Adam is looking sad right now. Sad boys. If I had to pick a Twitch emote to describe Adam's mood, it would be Bible thump. Put that out there. Spiked by the fish.
Oh my God!
Highly well. I think Adam has found his counter pick right now.
Oh my God! Yo, unplug your controller, dog.
You got JV5.
Yeah, let's go into the combo video.
This is a combo video.
Let's go in the highlight reel.
Honestly, it should be like that clip loop for 10 minutes. That should be the combo video. I don't really know what's happening right now.
So, what's happening?
What's happening?
So,
This can be a Sheik video, equally as entertaining. The Sheiks can not change that though.
if Brian and Tom have taught me anything, it's that Sheik dodos are exhilarating.
Yeah, dude, I mean, like after the 5th grab, I just really get into it. And that's in one slack only.
Oh, someone was Zelda. Wait, so is there a difference in the segment now? Wait, what happened?
Classic Adam over here. Adam is trying to finish this with a meme, but I don't think it's gonna work out.
I'm seriously hoping Adam brings back these next 2 games because I'm hoping for Game 5 on Hyrule Temple.
I think we're all hoping for that. The entire stream, is it streaming?
No, it's just recording. I can't stream it here on Fridays because so many fucking drop frames.
What?
Like so many people use the internet that I just drop a whole ton of frames.
That makes sense. Like it's also super loud anyway.
Nice case.
Dude, I saw that. Like when you walked in with that, I was like, wow, Penny, looking legit right now.
Looking like we're about to be an officially recognized club.
About to be. Grog with the VP though, questionable.
Yeah, just delegated it to Grog because he's real sad boys about his Sheik right now, and I figure I give him something to be happy about.
Yeah, he's thinking about picking Ices back up. How's it gonna work out? I'd like to see.
Speaking of Ices gets bodied by Zelda.
Tom and Grog showed me that actually.
And
in the Zelda Ditto, Zelda's obviously gonna win.
Yeah, I think Zelda's a strong Zelda counter pick. Just for matchup experience,
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it really depends on the Zelda's experience with Jigglypuff. Because a lot of Zelda's gameplay revolves around the back air. We all know Dan's back airs are pretty soul-inducing. Can you get a strange teleportation? Totally works out though.
So we're in the transformation. You know what that means? I have no idea.
Rock transformation, rock.
So Adam is looking like a scrub.
Yeah, this is like an appropriate transformation because Dan, Adam is getting rocked right now. Adam is getting rocked.
Dan is definitely scrubbing that ditch.
He is scrubbing it, dude. It is sparkly right now. You can eat out that ditch.
Adam Johnning about something. Adam Johnning about something.
I feel like Adam's just trying to get into his head. Yeah, it's just not working.
Adam.
Oh, nasty. And that KO's on the top. I feel like Adam is just like, oh, I'm playing my controller funny. Look at me. I definitely just didn't get 3-0'd by Zelda. No, that definitely happened. We all saw it. Oh! Wow. Ha ha ha. It was funnier. It was funnier when Adam got 3-0'd. That was hilarious. Red. I mean, I feel like Adam Zelda could be cleaner than that. But, maybe it's just not good. Not good.
All right. Let me show you who's the Zelda Ditto master.